Good morning, Carl here. Got it warmed up in here a little bit. Got kind of a new plan here I'm going to give a try to. I'm going to put a little bit of a deck on the front of this boat. Gonna go right here. Got a piece of plywood. Put right across here, and that'll kind of give us a dry space up under here. I'm gonna arc this a little bit right here. I'm going to arc it so this sits up 1.5 inches higher than the sides, so water will have a natural tendency to run off of it. So I'm working on that process right now. I've got this arc drawn on here, now I just have to cut it out, and we'll see how that goes. Morning, Carl here. It's Sunday morning. It is March 5th, I think. We're hoping for a little warmer weather. I've been trying to use my blast furnace heater here to warm things up enough to work out here. But, well, this is where we're at right now. I kind of worked on this gunnel. I decided to go with 2 layers of marine plywood laminated together for a gunnel. I don't know how well it's going to work, but we're going to give her a try. I got some real good glue, and we're using, this is where I have to put it today on this side. It seems to be pretty strong. These are my drink holders that I'm making. They're going to go down in here about like this. I think I'll try to round these up a little bit. Kind of make that a little prettier. I'm just going to do a bunch of sanding right now. Try to get it ready for when it gets just a skosh warmer, I can start doing the fiberglass. I might, if it warms up enough this afternoon, try to put the first coat of varnish on the oars. So here's kind of what I want for a color. I think that'll be nice. Well, let's see. Feels dry. Needs another coat. It's not dry down there. It's all right. I think we'll put another coat on it. just put the second coat of hull paint on. I think it came out pretty nice. Got a couple of areas where the paint is doing kind of this weird slip thing. I think I must have got it on a little too thick, but I tried not to. Start to make a little drip here and there, but I don't guess that'll hurt too much. Well, here we are. It's the big day. We're gonna launch the boat today. Should be fun. Here's Daniel, and there's Ben. We're gonna go stick it in the water and see what happens. It was meant to fit. Piece of cake.